Imagine a life free of stress, a life where money isn't a problem, a life where you get to earn $250 for doing something so simple that it almost seems like a dream. Sounds silly, right? Well, what if I told you that it was possible? What if I tell you that earning more than $250 a day isn't just a dream anymore and could very much become your reality? Now, are you worried that earning this much money might ask too much from you? Fret not, my friend, because you actually don't need to spend money to earn through this method, because it's completely free. All you need is a computer with internet access, or maybe even a mobile phone to do this job and earn money. Next thing you know, you're living the lifestyle that you have always dreamed of and enjoying the life that you truly deserve. Here's the thing. Not a lot of people know this method entirely, but that's why I am here to help you earn money online in an easy and hassle-free way. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we will share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So, if that's what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. So for this particular method, I am going to introduce you to a website that will let you do an array of tasks and jobs to earn money. You may have heard of other sites, but please do trust me on this one. Our star of the day is hiresign.com, a website that links freelancers and clients who are looking for people to accomplish small tasks for them. It's a website that is completely free, which means you don't need to pay anything upon registration. In Hiresign, you may actually find a myriad of different jobs that will allow you to earn money online. If you navigate through their page and look through the current openings tab, you'll see typing jobs, proofreading jobs, jobs that will pay you for answering surveys, and even graphic designing jobs. In fact, there are a lot more that I haven't mentioned. But for this video, I am going to show you how to earn the most amount of money in a significantly short amount of time through Hiresign. But before that, I want to know what other online jobs have you tried before? Comment them down below because I want to hear from you guys. I'm sure in this time and age, some of you have tried so many other jobs that have allowed you to work from the comfort of your own homes. But I guarantee you, none of them will be as easy as this job I'm about to share with you. For Hiresign, the best way to earn money in the shortest amount of time is through proofreading. For those of you who aren't familiar with proofreading, it's the process of carefully examining a text source for grammatical or typographical errors. Basically, proofreading is just looking for mistakes in a text source and correcting those mistakes. According to the Hiresign website, you can earn from $5 up to $10 for every page that you proofread. The document will be provided to you, and all you have to do now is to double check for any errors in spelling or grammar. If you're not so confident with your English skills, don't worry, as it won't be too much of a problem. This job won't require you to speak to any of your clients. In fact, this job doesn't require any prior experience. If you're still worried and you believe that you have a less than stellar conduct of the English language, I will share some tools on how to help you with this job, despite your lack of prominent skills at the end of this video. But for now, I will show you what it takes to become a proofreader at Hiresign. Hiresign offers part-time and full-time remote positions. This means that you can choose to work on this full-time, but it won't require you to show up at an actual office to do so. Everything here is done at the comfort of your own home. This also means that your schedule is flexible and that you have the freedom to work on your task in whatever manner you wish to do so. According to their website, as a business class proofreader, you will be given the opportunity to work for big and small business owners and help them with a range of tasks in order to guide them to the success of their businesses. I'll fill you in on the requirements for applying for a proofreading job in HireSign in a bit. But before anything else, I'd like to know what was the toughest job that you have ever had. Comment down below because I'd like to know which job made you switch to remote working conditions. After all, working from home and earning the same amount of money, if not more, is most appealing nowadays. Moving on, for HireSign, there are a few steps that you must accomplish prior to getting hired. First, you will need to go through the list of current openings and select a job. For now, consider the proofreading job as your niche, and be sure to read all the terms and details. The next step is submitting the job application form. Be reminded of the basic requirements, such as a desktop or laptop with internet access, a mobile phone to get in touch with your client easily, and an installed Microsoft Office on your device. Also, the minimum age requirement for all jobs in HireSign is 16 years old. To apply, all you have to do is fill out the application form, which will ask your basic details. It will also require you to write a brief introduction of yourself. Typically, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes to accomplish this form. Remember, it is very important that you check all the details that you entered in your application form, as this cannot be altered or edited after submission. So make sure that everything is finalized before hitting the submit button. After you submit your application form, an expert recruitment panel will examine your application, after which they may ask you to submit a sample work project. This sample work project will be given to you via email, and you must complete the sample project within a required time frame. I'll show you a sample document that HireSign uploaded on their website. There are 11 pages in this document, but according to HireSign, you are only required to work on 2 pages out of the 11. But make sure to include the cover page because you are required to work on it also. So other than the cover page, you may choose one other page. Proofreading is very simple. All you have to do is open the file in Microsoft Word, and if your document contains errors, you will immediately see some words or phrases with colored underlines. Microsoft Word actually already detects those errors for you. You can right-click on these underlined words and you may instantly correct them at the click of a single button. This gets a bit repetitive, but it's very easy to do. After completing the sample, you will be asked to submit this to support@hiresign.com, which is also the email address indicated in the Contact Us page. Before I let you know what happens after your sample work, I'd like to ask you if you've ever had a bad experience with applying for an online job before. Comment down below and share your most excruciating job application processes. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Now, back to the video. Alright, so after your sample work has been submitted and approved by the expert panel, they will require you to take your application to the next level by participating in a multi-level examination. Here, they will examine you randomly, and in some cases, multiple examinations may transpire in order to ensure the quality and authenticity of your work. If you are dedicated throughout the application process, you will be asked to schedule a date and time for your live interview, which usually takes place via Skype or Google Hangout. So make sure that you have both accounts ready. Finally, if the interview panel believes that you are suitable for the proofreading job that you have applied for, you will receive an appointment letter from a partner employer. Now, as promised, I will show you another tool to help you with your proofreading gig. If you look up Reverso Speller, you will find a grammar checker for English texts. All you have to do is copy a block of text and have it proofread for you by the software itself. See? No hassle at all. Earning through proofreading has never been easier. And that brings us to the end of our video. If you love content such as this, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck and see you on our next video.